Changzhou Wow Company is a professional exporter that are concerned with the design, development of sandwich panel production line, purlin forming machine, supporting machines, material of cold roll forming machines. The company cooperates with several production factories and associated enterprises. We are located in the Boatou Economic Development Zone in the heart of the electromechanical manufacturing industry zone. We are also within close proximity to Beijing and Tianjin, only 200 kilometers away from the nearest port, for a very notable logistical advantage. We invested heavily in a lean production management system. We require our partner factory to purchasing raw materials from the most reliable suppliers. The cooperative factory also through the investment of more than 30 sets of grinders, milling machines, and various high-precision CNC machines. These multi-dimensional and efficient facilities ensure the precision manufacturing of our products. The company, in order to think what the customer think, do what customer worried. It also provided high quality of colored steel roll, galvanized coil, aluminum plating, zinc volume, and other materials. Furthermore, it also provides sandwich panel, roof tile, and CNC purlin. Our company, Changzhou Wow Roll Forming Machine Company Limited, focuses on the research and development of cold roll forming machine. Let our machinery help you to process products for a large of applications and great profits. Our technology and customer service are both unbeatable, and our pricing is even better.